Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on recording job progress in ManuDyn Cloud 9. To open the job progress routine, click on the Scheduling menu group and then click the Job Progress menu item. In the field located in the blue toolbar, we need to enter the job number that we want to record progress against. We will use the Lookup Search button to select the job from the list of jobs that have been issued to production. Double-click the required job number to start recording progress. The operations required for this job have been loaded into the grid, which displays the following details for each operation: the operation number, the work area, the order quantity, the quantity done on this operation, the estimated setup time, and the estimated process time. To create a new job progress transaction, click anywhere on the row for the operation you wish to record progress for. The Transaction Details dialog will appear, where you can enter the start and finish date of when this transaction occurred. You can allocate this entry as being for process or setup time. In my case, I will choose setup. Next, indicate the quantity done for this transaction. In my case, I have selected setup, so there is no need to record a quantity. Record the time taken and the employee number of the employee who worked on the job. See the next video titled Recording Job Progress in Real Time for information on how to create and edit the employee list. Once you are finished, click the OK button to return this transaction to the grid. The transaction row has been added as a sub-row of the operation we recorded it against. To edit this transaction, click on the transaction row. To create a new transaction for this operation, click on the operation row. We can toggle the display of transactions by clicking on the -+ button at the beginning of the operation row. To save the job progress transaction, click on the Save button in the toolbar, or click on the OK button at the bottom of the tab. Once you are finished recording progress, you can return to the home page by clicking the Home Page button at the top of the screen, or by clicking on the Exit button in the toolbar. Before we proceed to the next video, we should quickly look at two related routines associated with job update, namely scheduling and priority work list menu items, which are affected by changes to the job status brought about by the job update process. You can open the scheduling screen by clicking on the Scheduling menu group and then clicking the Scheduling menu item. The scheduling screen is similar to other data entry screens in ManuDyn, in that to start we need to either type in an existing record, a work area in this case, or use the Lookup Search icon to select a work area from the list. The scheduler provides a list of work to be done. It consists of a projected start and finish date for every operation on a job. These dates are obtained by performing a backward schedule from the due date of each job. The estimated process time, work area capacity, average wait time, and the manufacturing calendar are all variables used to determine the backward schedule. The backward scheduling routine treats every job uniquely, with the result that the forecast schedule essentially produces an outline of the work area loading necessary to finish every job on time. The schedule is automatically adjusted in response to a job progress update, which is immediate where the factory screen or factory app is used for shop floor data collection. The system, therefore, is designed to provide a dynamic forecasting facility which complements the dynamic job shop schedule system. To display the schedule in a Gantt chart format, click the icon in the toolbar. Each scheduled activity is highlighted on the chart in green, and the due date of each job is indicated by a black border. The effect of the scheduled jobs on available capacity for the work area each day is shown at the bottom of the report. If the capacity is shown in red, then this number indicates that the work area is overloaded on that day by that number of hours. There is also the facility to view a Gantt chart for an individual job profile by first clicking on an operation for a job, then clicking the Gantt chart icon in the Process Information window. Both of the Gantt charts are interactive, and start dates can be adjusted by clicking on the highlighted areas of the chart. Any date changes from the Gantt chart are saved immediately, and the screen will be refreshed with the current information. The operation start date and priority for any job may also be changed by first clicking on the corresponding row of the grid display. A data entry window showing the specific job details will then appear so that the job start date or priority may be set. Please note that by changing the start date to a later date, any subsequent operations will be pushed back by the same number of days, and the estimated finish date of the job will be updated. Next, let's look at the priority work list. You can open the priority work list by clicking on the Scheduling menu group and then clicking the Priority Work List menu item. The priority work list is, as the name suggests, a list of work that has to be done sorted by priority. The main screen provides three options. The default option is to print a work list for all work areas. You can also print a list of jobs that are waiting to be issued to production. And lastly, you can print a work list for a selected work area. Once you have made your selection, click the Print button to display the print preview screen. The priority work lists provided by this routine are intended to be generated daily at the start of the work period. The jobs at each progress work area will be listed according to the due date priority, and as such, the printout provides a basis upon which the orderly progress of work may be obtained. The work lists generated can be used by the scheduler to highlight job priorities at each production stage, and may then be issued to the factory as a work instruction for the operators at each work area. The work lists also provide the mechanism by which the job status can be updated. All that is required is for the operator to indicate on the work list what jobs have been done or partially done, and record the time taken and the quantity completed. The work list effectively serves the same purpose as an operator timesheet. The work list can be collected at the end of the production period so that the jobs can be updated through the job progress screen, and new priority work lists generated. The use of the factory screen or factory app to record job progress in real time eliminates the need to print and record progress on the priority work list. Now that we have viewed the printout on screen, we have four choices. We can print directly to the printer, email the printout as a PDF, save it as a PDF, or close the printout and return to the entry screen. Once you are finished looking at the priority work lists, you can return to the home page by clicking the Home icon in the top left of the screen, or by clicking on the Exit button in the toolbar. In the next video tutorial, we will record job progress in real time using the factory screen. Click on the link to start the next video.